Hello friends, myself Subhash Nagarse from Sri Digambar Jain Gurukul High School, Solapur. I shall welcome to all of you in this 10th Standard Science and Technology part first. We will discuss on the question bank prepared by SCRT. In this session, we are going to discuss on the scientific reasons. The topics covered are carbon compounds and space missions. This could be asked in the question number 2A. Let us start with that. Question 2A, write scientific reasons, 2 marks each. Till 62 questions were based on the previous topics. Here today we are going to discuss with 2 topics, carbon compounds and that of space missions. Ethylene is an unsaturated hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbons containing at least one carbon-carbon double or triple bond are called unsaturated hydrocarbons. The structure of ethylene is CH2, double bond CH2. It has a double bond and hence it is an unsaturated hydrocarbon. The flame appears yellow in the ignition of naphthalene. Friends, naphthalene is an unsaturated hydrocarbon. Unsaturated hydrocarbon burns with a yellow flame and releases black soot or smoke. Hence, the flame appears yellow in the ignition of naphthalene. The color of iodine appears in the reaction between vegetable oil and that of the tincture iodine. So, vegetable oils are unsaturated fatty acids. They contain carbon-carbon multiple bonds and thus undergo addition reaction with iodine. Hence, the color of iodine appears in the reaction between vegetable oil and the tincture iodine. Vegetable ghee is formed from the hydrogenation of vegetable oil in presence of nickel as a catalyst. So, vegetable oil contains carbon-carbon multiple bonds while vanaspati ghee contains carbon-carbon single bond. So, vegetable oil is an unsaturated compound while vegetable ghee is a saturated compound. An unsaturated compound undergoes addition reaction with hydrogen in presence of nickel as catalyst to form a saturated compound. This reaction is called hydrogenation. Hence, vegetable ghee is formed from the hydrogenation of vegetable oil in presence of the nickel as catalyst. Carbon has the property of forming many compounds. Carbon is a tetravalent atom with the property of catenation. Thus, it forms compounds in which the carbon atoms are arranged in the form of straight chain, branched chain or rings. It can form a single and multiple covalent bonds with other carbon atoms. Carbon is a tetravalent, thus it can form 4 covalent bonds with carbon or other elements like oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, halogen and phosphorus. One more characteristic of the carbon which is responsible for large number of carbon compounds is isomerism. Hence, carbon has the property of forming many compounds. Benzene compounds are called aromatic compounds. Friends, benzene compounds are cyclic unsaturated hydrocarbons having structure similar to benzene. There are 3 alternate double bonds in the 6-membered ring structure of benzene. Compounds having the characteristics unit in their structure are called aromatic compounds. Hence, benzene compounds are called aromatic compounds. The velocity at the Earth's surface must be greater than the escape velocity of the Earth. Here, the spacecraft must escape the Earth's gravitational force to travel into the outer space. To achieve this, the initial velocity of the moving object must be greater than the escape velocity of the Earth. Space debris can be harmful to the artificial satellite. Friends, in space, non-essential objects revolving around the Earth are termed as the debris in space. Along with the artificial satellite, some other objects like non-functional satellite parts of the launcher detached during launching and debris generated due to the this collision of the satellite with other satellite or any other objects in the space are also revolving around the Earth. This debris can collide with satellites or spacecrafts and damage them. Hence, space debris can be harmful to artificial satellites. Satellite launch vehicles are used to place satellite in their specific orbits. The working of the satellite launched vehicle is based on the Newton's third law of motion. The launch vehicle uses a specific type of fuel which when burned produces a gas. The gas expands due to its high temperature and is expelled forcefully through the nozzle at the rear side of the launch vehicle. As a result, a thrust acts on the vehicle, which drives the vehicle high into the space. The structure of this launch vehicle and the fuel to be used is decided by the weight of the satellite and the types of the satellite's orbit. In this way, satellite launch vehicles are used to place satellite in their specific orbits. The launch vehicles are very costly. Friends, the launch vehicles can be used only once, hence launch vehicles are costly. I think you got all the scientific reasons. Prepare, go through the additional study material, reference study material, and prepare such questions from them. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet in the next video with a different type of questions. Till that, bye.